Holy shit. Now, I'm about to show y'all something that I'm pretty excited about. I've never seen in person. I actually just randomly ran into this, so let's get out real quick and check this out. Alright guys, so I randomly ran into this goodness right here. Holy shit. This is like one of my dream cars right here. R33 Skyline. The guys, the gentlemen, they're over there. Let's see if we can speak to them. See if we can speak to them a little bit about the cars. Sorry about the wind, unexpected. Look at this insane lineup here. R35, another R35. What's up, man?
Hey, you're a YouTuber, what's up?
How you doing? Yeah. This is which car is yours?
Oh, mine's the gunmetal.
The gunmetal?
My car, it has aftermarket bolt-ons. I do have intakes, mid-pipe exhaust, cat-pack exhaust. I also have a stage 2 tune from Cobb.
Oh, okay.
Located out in Austin, so.
Yeah.
And I'm also a YouTuber. So.
Yeah, link your channel, man. I'm not a big channel myself.
Rev Your Life TV.
Rev your life, like live your life, but rev your life.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
I get it, man. So what are y'all doing here? Y'all just randomly just popped up?
We arrived from Carson Coffee of Austin at Coda.
Oh, okay.
Kind of got rained out, but we still got a chance to check out some cars. And then we just went to grab some sushi over at the sushi place.
Yeah.
Forum.
These cars are amazing, bro.
Yeah,
especially that one. I'm not gonna lie, the R33 has a soft spot in my heart. So this is this gentleman's car right here. This is his R33. Can you tell us a little bit more about the car and like how did you get it legal and how did you obtain this beautiful car?
Well, it took about 4 or 5 months to get it here. Customs didn't even want to pass it for some reason.
Wow.
Eventually they did, thankfully. I got the car completely stock. It's a GTST Type M, so it's a higher, I don't know, it comes with an LSD, but I think all turbo Skylines come with an LSD. I bagged it, it's on AirTech bags. It has 3-piece wheels. They're Westcrans ERM. Has a full 400R GTR kit without the over fenders. GTR wing, bright seats. Has a cone filter. About to go full straight pipe. I'm actually going to install my test pipe as soon as we're done here. Constantly doing mods, but I'm pretty thankful for where I'm at. I'm only 21.
Yeah. Oh, man, brother. Congratulations, man.
I've been working super hard.
Hard work pays off.
I got my own house and everything, so.
Man, congratulations, man. It's good to see a young brother doing something like this, especially with one of my dream cars. Like, can we hear like a startup or something, please?
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? Oh my God, man, the smile on my face is like priceless. I can't believe I'm finally seeing one in person. So did it live up to its expectations, seeing it in person, or if not better?
For how excited I was to get it. Now I did have a lot of like ifs and like what if this is bad, what if that's bad, but regardless, it's a 26-year-old car and you're gonna still learn.
Yeah.
Even though everything on this car is super easy to work on. Everything from, I don't know, from like suspension, 3 bolts, like everything's like super simple. But I think it's definitely changes your life when you buy one.
Oh yeah.
I'm glad my car was taken care of. His car was also taken care of.
I might have to get that number or contact information because eventually I want to work out to one of these. Oh my God. I mean, look how rare this is. A right-hand driven Supra.
That's right, man. That's just where my complex.
Oh my God, look how beautiful that car is. Can I help you? Trying to do a YouTube video here. A little privacy? Well, I guess not. Alright guys, so I'm new to photography, especially car photography. So what I'm gonna do a little later during the day is I'm gonna go for a little cruise and see if I can find some locations to shoot pictures of the Hades Cobra. So not right now, but a little later. Let's go. Alright guys, so that concludes today's videos. Please like, share, subscribe. It'll really help me out. I try to upload every Thursday at 1 o'clock Central Standard Time. And also while you're at it, follow me on my Instagram because I'm going to be uploading the photos that I took tonight of the Cobra tomorrow on my page. So if you want to check those out, link down below. Let's do it. Let's get it. It's lit.